This is the Xsense Hardwired smoke detector and carbon monoxide detector combo. You could connect up to 18 of these in one hardwired network. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. And my opinion is I like Xsense products. This thing measures about 5 inches by 5 inches. Came packaged very nicely, shipped well. You get the 2-in-1 detector itself, the mount to mount it to your standard 4-inch junction box. You get mounting hardware, and you get an electrical connector because this is a hardwired device. You get a set of instructions, some warning stickers. The instructions are super handy, they're easy to read, and there's a lot of good info in there. So this is a hardwired alarm that also has a CR123 battery backup in it right here. It has both photoelectric and electromechanical sensors built into it so that it'll detect both smoke and carbon monoxide. It's a 2-in-1 device. These alarms can be interconnected to some other Xsense XPO devices. There's a list of them inside of the instructions here. Since they're hardwired, these devices are meant to work with other compatible Xsense devices. They're not meant to be mixed and matched with other brands. And I would suggest having a licensed electrician install these. That's always the safest way to go. Another cool thing they give you on here is a dust cover. If you're a new construction or you got work going on in the house, you can actually put the dust cover on and keep everything safe. Not only does it sound an audible alarm, but it talks to you to tell you where the location of the problem is, which I think is great for kids. If the devices are interconnected, it'll tell you the exact location of the issue and which issue it is. For example, if the devices are interconnected and you have one in your office and one in your basement, and smoke is detected in the basement, your office alarm or any other alarm that is interconnected will literally tell you, warning, smoke detected in the basement, or carbon monoxide detected in the basement. You get the point. You can also test all of the interconnected devices at the same time as well. And they have a 10-year lifespan, which is pretty common. When you first set this up, it allows you to assign 17 common locations. There's a button on the back here. You just press it.
Hello from Xsense. Location not set. Press the location button to select a location. Quickly press the entryway, basement, living room.
All right, let's do living room. Press and hold.
Living room. Location saved.
Easy as that. This is your indicator light to let you know what's going on, and this is your test silence button. So let's give it a test here. I'm going to turn the sound down on the video so it doesn't blast your ears.
This is only a test. The alarm will sound loudly. You can press the test silence button to cancel the test. Testing the smoke sensor. Test cancel.
That's pretty loud. Another cool thing about this voice function is that it will let you know if a device has a low battery or if it's malfunctioning or something like that. You know, your electrician should have no problem with this. It just snaps into place like that. You're going to wire it into your existing wiring and your junction boxes that you have now, or if you're cutting new ones in. The wiring schematics are all inside of there, and these would be great for new construction or if you're replacing old detectors in your home that have reached the end of their life. And it's pretty handy with that voice function. I like that a lot.